In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Twitter or X feed to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to keep your site visitors up to date with your latest tweets and interactions, all without having to leave your page. We'll be using a handy tool called Elf Site Apps to make this process as smooth as possible. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Elf Site Apps by opening your web browser and searching for Elf Site. Once you're on the Elf Site website, look for the Widgets section. This will give you access to an array of different widgets, but today we're focusing on integrating Twitter. In the widget search bar, simply type Twitter. You'll see several options populate, but go ahead and click on the one labeled Twitter Feed. After selecting the Twitter Feed widget, you'll notice an option that says Create Widget for Free. Click that button. This is where you'll start customizing your Twitter Feed widget for your specific needs. You'll see a preview area showing what your widget will look like on your website. Next, you'll likely notice an option stating, Your Twitter feed widget is already created. Go ahead and click on it and then continue by selecting Continue with this template. Don't worry if you're unsure. These steps are just guiding you to your destination as conveniently as possible. Now select Add to Website for free. You may initially see a paid option, but start with the free version if you're not yet committed to upgrading. After that, click on Publish. ElfSite will prompt you to select a plan. For now, let's stick with the free plan to keep costs down while you sample their tools. Upon selecting your plan, you'll see a final option to copy code. Click this to copy the embed code needed for your Squarespace page. This code is essential for the next step, so keep it handy. Now, switch over to your Squarespace website. Navigate to the page where you want your Twitter feed to appear. You'll find an option to Add Block. Click this and select Embed. This is how we'll insert the code you just copied from ElfSite. You should now see an Edit button under the Embed block. Go ahead and click this, revealing the Code Snippet option. Click on that, then select Embed Data, and paste the embed code that you copied earlier. Once you've pasted the code, click on Save to finalize the changes. And there you have it. Your Twitter or X feed is now live on your Squarespace website, keeping your visitors engaged with your latest social updates effortlessly. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your web presence.